What is up, guys? This is RunGames1000. Today I'm going to go ahead and show you a $750 build. Now this build is very nice. It offers great performance, really nice cooling. Let's go and get started. First off is our case. We have a Cooler Master Storm Scout. This is a very nice red case. It offers 3 fans. They're all red LED, so really looks very good in the dark. It has a front fan 122mm, rear fan 144mm front fan, and the top fan is 140mm. You can also add 2 fans on the side right here. You can also add 2 fans on the side, which is very sick, and it also has a transparent side panel, so you can see all your components. And this is a very nice case, ranging about $65. Next up is our motherboard. This is the GIGABYTE GA575M D3H. It supports i3, i5, and i7, so you can upgrade without changing your motherboard. This does have PCI Express 3.0. And it's also Windows 8 ready. It supports up to 32 gigabytes of memory, and it's a 240 pin connectors, and also offers HD audio, which is very nice. And the main thing I really like this motherboard, not only is cheap, it's also has dual BIOS, which is very cool. And for $73, you can't go wrong. Next up is the CPU. We are using an Intel Core i5-3470 Ivory Bitch, clocked at 3.2 GHz. You can also overclock at 3.6 GHz. And this is a great CPU. One of the cheaper i5s out there on the market, and it ranging about $200 is a great price. Next up is the video card. This is a very nice video card. I think it varies. It's not as good. It's a little bit better than the Radeon HD 7870, and this can run Crysis 3 on maximum settings. The link will be in the description for that video if you want to go and check it out. And this also offers a very nice cooling because it has the fans, two wind force cooler fans, which is very cool. And it's also SLI support ready. So it's also clocked at 1033 MHz. You can also overclock it to 1098 MHz, and it's 2 GDDR5 memory. And it's a very nice video card. At $204, it's a great pick. Here is the power supply. This is a CORSAIR CX500M 500 watts power supply. This is the version of 2.3. This is a great PC power supply. It offers great, really nice. And the 500 watts is quite enough for all your stuff, like your keyboards if they're all loaded up, and your mouse. You can also save $10 if you want to go to the non-modular version, but I suggest getting the modular version because you don't have to. It's optional to plug in all of those extra cables. Next up is the RAM / memory. You're using the G.SKILL Ripjaws X series 8 GB. This is the 2 GB module, and it's has very nice reviews. As you can see here, it's clocked at 1600 MHz, and it has really cool color, which I really like. And for $63, it's a great price. Next up is the hard drive. We are using a Western Digital Caviar Blue 1 TB. You can also go with the 500 TB if you want to save a bit more money. and this is 7,200 RPM, 64 megabyte cache. It's a very fast hard drive. I was gonna go with the black, but I don't see the difference. It's the exact same speeds. I think it's just a gimmick that it's faster, the black version. And you save $20, or actually $25 when you go with the blue version. And your total is $749.94. If you go with the non-modular power supply, it's $740. And if you go with the you can save a bit more money with the 500 gigabyte and other gigabyte models. And all this next stuff is optional. The total for the optional stuff is $98 with the Hyper 212 Evo fan CPU cooler, or you can save $5 and go with the CPU cooler for the second option. For our DVD burner, it's a generic burner. This also it's a very fast burner, 24 times DVD, and also CD burner, ranging about $18. Is very nice. Nothing too special. This is just for if you want to install your Windows 7, Windows 8, and all your other games. Next up is the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo cooler, CPU cooler, which is about $35. This is a very nice cooler, as you can see here in the reviews. It's great, and it also goes up to 2000 RPM plus 10%. So it's about, I'd say, let's go ahead and calculate that. 2000 plus 10%. Whoa, I did it wrong. It's 2000 plus 10%. Wow, why can't I do that? So it's 2000 plus 10. Sorry about that. So 2,200 maximum. You can also, if you want to save a bit more power, you can go to the 600 PWM rate. So for $35, it's a great CPU cooler. And then for a Wi-Fi card, we're using an ASUS PCIe N15 wireless adapter. This supports BGNN, and it goes up to 300 megabytes transfer and receive. This is also optional, and its range is about $27. For our case fans, we are going to be using two. You can also, this is completely optional. You don't have to, but I highly recommend it, because if you want really nice cooling for the case. So it's range about $11. This is Cycloflow Cooler Master 122 millimeter silent red case fans, and this is a very nice pick. This is the second option for the CPU cooler. This is the Hyper 212 Plus. You save about $5, but I think this cooler is much better. Has better ratings also. Actually, but it looks a lot better. Looks more high quality. This one is a little bit slower than this one. So, but they're very nice, very good performance. And your grand total is $750 with the optional stuff. It's about $895. No, sorry. So about $900. But these things are optional. You don't have to. The only thing I would recommend, if you don't want to get all these optional stuff, I probably recommend the Wi-Fi adapter, because you want to go ahead and go online and watch YouTube videos, play online games and stuff like that. But all the rest is optional. So $750 for all of these. For this computer, this is a very nice computer. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's going to change this. 750. Okay. And if you want to save a bit more money, you can also go to Micro Center. You can also go to Micro Center. I think I have it saved right here, and they have it for $150 for the Intel, but it's only store pickup. But if you live close by to a Micro Center, you can go ahead and save $50. So that's very nice. Very nice. So if you have a Micro Center, that's a great CPU for 150. Because on Newegg online it's $200. Over here it's 100. You save $50. So, but it's only in store only, in store pickup only. But if you, like I said, if you live if you live close to a Micro Center, definitely go pick up this one. So there you guys have it. There's your gaming PC build for $750. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, go ahead and click on the like button. If you helped you out, go ahead and click on the if it helped you out and you enjoyed it, go ahead and click on the favorite button. If you want to stay updated to my channel for further videos, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Alright guys, I hope this helped you out. Later.